Hello everybody, it's Art by Susan King, and I'm going to do a little project here. I'm going to pour on a small canvas with this shaker jar. So I'll be putting the paint in, layering the paint in here, and then just pouring it on. And I'm trying to go for stripes this way. After I do that, I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to apply these letters here with my name, my channel name, on the canvas. Probably hot glue them or something like that. I'm going to paint them black, I think, and I might add a few of these on there too. These little they're just little wood decorative pieces that I got at the dollar store, and that's where I got these as well. So the colors I'm going to use, this is like a, what is this? This is a sky blue light. I put Dimethecone in this one. This is, what is this? This is just a pale blue. This is kind of like cobalt blue, a little bit lighter though. And I put Dimethecone in this one as well, and this one. I just didn't put it in this one because there's not, it's a very small canvas, so I don't need that much. And this is grayish blue, and I'm going to use white as well. Okay, I don't know if you can see the consistency. I'll just point it this way, and I will show you. I was going to mix one of the paints on camera, but I totally forgot. That's the consistency of the paint that you need. It just flows off the stick. Okay, I'm having a bit of a problem here with the camera. It's not staying. Okay. So, make sure you can see. Just going to move this over a little bit. This here. Okay, so I'm going to start with white. I think that's enough. I'm going to put the paint aside. Cap on. And I'm just going to, maybe I better move this out of the way a little bit. Start pouring. I'm going to pour this way. Wait. And I'm going to tip it. I'm going to move the cups over and then tip it right here. what I should have done first, I totally forgot, is torch it. Okay, that's it right now. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll come back and I will apply the letters and the little pictures over there. I'm going to paint them first though with black, and I'll probably hot glue them on, and I'll show you that when I come back. Okay, bye for now. I forgot to show you a bit of a close-up. I wanted it very pale. It's not a piece of artwork to put on the wall, it's just a sign. Okay. Hi, I'm back. It's dry, and I cleaned it a little bit with alcohol. And now I'm going to, I was going to just glue these letters on here right now, but I kind of want a little bit more color. I wished I would have used some other bright colors on the background. So I'm going to add some to it, just with a fine brush like this. I don't know if it's clear on here. It's very fine, but anyway. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm just going to, put very little paint on here. Just kind of dipping it in the opening of the paint, and it's straight paint. It's not with Floetrol or anything. So if you mixed with Floetrol, it would you'd have to put on a few coats because it would be very thin. So I'm just going to try and follow along some lines where I think I could use some color, working from that way over here. Okay, I'm just going to put it like that. So I'm going to glue everything on now with a hot glue gun.